let's go over how to draw Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus. Pomni is going to be running in this, okay? It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so stick around for the entire lesson. It's only going to be like 8 minutes, and let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with a circle for one of Pomni's eyes, so right here. And if you can't make that, just try to, take your time, kind of, slowly kind of at least make something close enough, right? Because that's kind of all we're aiming for. We don't need exact. We need close enough. We need good enough to get the impression. We'll draw another eye right there. Try to make it as close as you can. I'm going to go over here now, and I'm going to draw a line up, curve across the top right here, and down over here. It's going to be kind of for Pomni's hat. Keep going down on this side, down over here. We're going to go over here now and draw a circle and a circle. I feel like Pomni's like infinitely scared. That's kind of the way it feels sometimes. And now I'm going to go over here and draw the kind of bottom part of the face here. So curve right here, and I'm going to stop because there's going to be some hair coming off from this side, right? It's kind of the way it usually goes. And then line down for like long hair on the side over here, coming out the side. Kind of gets bigger as it goes out. That's kind of the way we kind of express it. Line over here, up. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. For kind of the under eyelashes that Pomni has. Down over here, curve underneath, up. Down over here, curve over here, up. Curve across. Keep curving across over here. There we go. And let's go to the mouth. Kind of like, what? Oh my gosh, what's going on? That kind of thing. Slightly open mouth, like, what? And then we're going to draw a circle right here for the cheek. The rosy cheeks right there. Try to make that line thin if you can, but if you can't, completely fine. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. It is... Hey, let's take a quick break, and I want to talk to you about something very important, and that is cute drawings, something you all want to do. And I understand when you're doing some of this stuff, sometimes things don't turn out the way you want, right? Sometimes the head's too big, or the arm's too long, or the line is wobbly, or what do I do here? How big do I make the eyes? I understand all these questions, so I made a guide for you to kind of clear up anything that you have. Pretty much all the questions I got on cute drawings, I answered them all in this guide. It is a 20-page guide entirely on how to turn anything cute. Like, I go over head sizes. Oh, shit. So let me give you an example really fast. So something we talk about a lot is proportion, and that is the most important part of drawing something cute. So what I do is I go over the eyes and how big to make the eyes compared to the head, and that is one way to do it. But 95% of the cute stuff you see everywhere has the exact same formula, and this is it. Another thing I want to talk about is, and then I throw other extras like, expressions and also cool poses you can do. I'm not going to have this book up forever, so get it right now while you can, and it is totally free right now in the description. All you got to do is go down, put your email in and your name, and then you download it. Such a big deal when you do that. It helps the channel out, helps the video out, helps put it out there a little bit, but, there you go. Going to go over here and line over here for one of the jester, the parts of the jester hat. Line over here for the top. Down, down, circle. Out over here. Down. Line over here. Circle. Sweet. And we're going to go over here. Now we're going to draw the... Well, not yet. We're going to wait for that. So now we're going to do the body. So curve right here for kind of the stomach area. All right. And line over here kind of for the rest of the torso. Look kind of like a bean shape. circle for the shoulder, because there's this big shoulder pad right here. Line over here, and then the bottom of that shoulder pad. Okay, so far so good. Out over here, down for the arm. Curve over here. It's that same shape as over there, but at the bottom right there for the glove area. And let's draw like a fist. Like that's the knuckle side. Curve, line, line, line over here. Curve, line, line right there. It's kind of like the bottom part right here, and then you're gonna have that. It's almost like the same thing on the shoulder, but kind of around the pants area. Line over there. Okay, well, we got to do this side as well. So same thing over here, this design. Curve. Line over here. Let's go down. Like so. Kind of the legs. Remember, think of the legs as like straws. That's literally kind of what this thing reminds me of, like a bendy straw. Over here to the other leg. Oops, well, we got to have that part of the leg. So like there. See that bendy straw? You want to bend that bendy straw. Same thing with this. Forgot the far side shoulder pad. It is so hot in my house right now. It is, wow. Sorry. It is really warm over here. So, forgive me. We're almost done. So stay with me. We are almost done. Okay. Line over here for this bendy straw as well. Same shape as that. Right there. Knuckle on that side. Curve. 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 Line right here. Alright. Pull down just a bit. Make that leg a little bit longer. Now we're going to draw the socks. I would say these feet remind me a lot of Sonic the Hedgehog's feet. Just like the socks. It's kind of like an M on both sides if you were to really simplify them down. And then this down right here, big oversized pointed shoe that's going to go off the page. It's just literally going to go off the page there. Back over here, down for that pointed Sonic-like shoe. Okay, let's go into the final touches and we're done. All right, so thank you for staying with me so long. If you're here this long, say what's up in the comments. It really helps out. I love hearing you guys. Is there another character you want me to draw? Is there something else you want me to draw, like another thing? Let me know. Let me know, okay? I will pin the funniest comment or the coolest comment. I will pin it. We're drawing lines right here on the design on the shoulder. Same thing over here on the other shoulder. We're going to put like almost like a two V shapes right there for the collar on that shirt. Circle on this like clown uniform thing that they got going on here. Circle right here, and then line down there in the cloth behind it. Line right here. Line right here, 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 line right here. Sweet. Over here, down. Down over here. The design. Out over here. We're almost done, okay? Line down. Are we done? We are not done yet. We got one more thing to do. Let's just fill, if you want, there's something you can do if you want. Fill in the hair, because the hair shape is dark, right? And sometimes for certain dark shapes, it kind of helps it out to kind of fill that out. There we go. Sweet. And that's it. You are done. You drew Pomni. Stick around. We're going to go through another lesson right now. Okay? Stay right there. Let's go through another lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.